Welcome. Today we'll explore how to easily withdraw money from LSSC to Coinbase, two essential platforms for your crypto journey. Transferring funds from LSSC to Coinbase offers numerous benefits, such as enhanced security, speedy transactions, and convenient access to your crypto investments. First, let's get your Coinbase account set up. We'll create, verify, and secure your account to ensure a smooth experience. Now, let's access your LSSC account. Log in and find your available funds that you'll be withdrawing. Select the amount you wish to withdraw and choose your preferred withdrawal method for the transfer. Carefully check the transaction details before you confirm. This step is crucial to avoid any errors. Once confirmed, monitor the status of your transfer. You can track its progress and expected timelines easily. Finally, check your Coinbase account to verify that the funds have arrived. Success! Be aware of common issues during the transfer that can arise, such as incorrect amounts or withdrawal delays. To ensure a smooth experience for future transfers, remember these key tips. Double-check your info and always keep your account secure.